Welcome to an exploration of Lewin's change management model, a foundational framework for understanding and guiding organizational change. Developed by Lewin in the mid-20th century, this model remains highly relevant for leaders and teams seeking effective strategies to manage transitions. In this video, we'll break down the three key stages of Lewin's model, illustrate how each phase works, and provide practical examples to help you apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. Let's begin by setting the stage for why change management is crucial in today's fast-paced environment. Change is inevitable in any organization, whether it's driven by technology, market demands, or internal growth. Without a structured approach, transitions can lead to confusion, resistance, and inefficiency. Lewin's model provides a clear roadmap for navigating these challenges, helping leaders and employees understand the process and their roles within it. By mastering change management, organizations can minimize disruption, foster engagement, and achieve their goals more smoothly. Let's dive into the first stage of Lewin's model, Unfreeze. Unfreeze stage is all about preparing the organization for change. This means challenging the status quo and creating awareness about why change is necessary. Leaders must communicate the reasons for change, address concerns, and motivate people to let go of old habits. This stage often involves gathering data, sharing insights, and building a sense of urgency. By unfreezing, organizations lay the groundwork for successful transformation. Next, we'll see how this preparation leads into the change phase. To effectively unfreeze, leaders must create a sense of urgency. This can be achieved by highlighting market trends, competitive pressures, or internal challenges that demand action. Sharing compelling data and stories helps people understand the risks of maintaining the status quo. When urgency is established, employees are more likely to embrace the need for change and participate actively in the process. Let's look at how communication plays a vital role in this stage. Clear and consistent communication is key during the unfreeze stage. Leaders should use multiple channels to reach employees, ensuring everyone understands the reasons for change and what's expected. Open forums, emails, and meetings can help address concerns and answer questions. By fostering transparency and trust, organizations can reduce resistance and build support for the upcoming transition. Now let's move into the second stage, change. Change stage is where transformation actually occurs. Employees begin to adopt new behaviors, processes, or technologies. This phase can be challenging as people adjust to unfamiliar routines and expectations. Leaders must provide guidance, training, and support to help everyone navigate the transition. By encouraging feedback and celebrating small wins, organizations can sustain momentum and ensure the change takes root. Let's explore how training and support are essential during this stage. Training is a critical component of the change stage. Employees need to learn new skills and understand updated processes to perform effectively. Workshops, online courses, and hands-on practice can help bridge the gap between old and new ways of working. By investing in training, organizations empower their people to succeed and reduce anxiety about the transition. Next, we'll see how ongoing support makes a difference. Support during the change stage can take many forms, from mentoring and coaching to providing resources and troubleshooting. Leaders should be accessible and responsive, helping employees overcome obstacles and adapt to new expectations. Peer support groups and feedback channel also encourage collaboration and problem solving. With strong support systems in place, organizations can maintain morale and drive successful change. Let's examine how feedback fuels improvement. Feedback is essential for continuous improvement during the change stage. Leaders should invite input from employees, listen to concerns, and make adjustments as needed. Constructive feedback helps identify challenges and opportunities, ensuring the change process remains flexible and responsive. By valuing employee voices, organizations foster engagement and ownership of the transformation. Now let's move to the final stage, Refreeze. Freeze is the final stage of Lewin's model, where new behaviors and processes become the norm. This phase is about stabilizing the organization after change, ensuring that improvements are sustained over time. Leaders must reinforce new practices, monitor progress, and celebrate achievements. By embedding change into the culture, organizations prevent regression and build lasting success. Let's see how reinforcement helps solidify change. To ensure lasting change, leaders must reinforce new behaviors through recognition, rewards, and ongoing communication. Celebrating milestones and acknowledging individual contributions motivates employees to maintain new routines. Regular check-ins and performance reviews help track progress and address any lingering issues. By making change visible and valued, organizations strengthen their commitment to continuous improvement. Next, we'll discuss monitoring progress. Monitoring progress is crucial during the Refreeze stage. Leaders should use metrics, feedback, and regular reviews to assess how well new practices are being adopted. This helps identify areas for further improvement and ensures that the change remains effective. By staying vigilant and responsive, organizations can address challenges early and maintain momentum. Let's explore how celebrating achievements boosts morale. Celebrating achievements is a powerful way to reinforce change and boost morale. Leaders should recognize both individual and team successes, whether through awards, public acknowledgement, or informal celebrations. These moments help employees feel valued and motivated to continue embracing new practices. By making achievements visible, organizations build a culture of positivity and progress. Now, let's look at embedding change into the culture. Embedding change into the organizational culture ensures that new behaviors and processes become permanent. Leaders should align policies, procedures, and values with the desired outcomes. Training, communication, and ongoing support reinforce the importance of change. By integrating change into everyday operations, organizations prevent backsliding and sustain progress. Let's review the three stages of Lewin's model. Lewin's change management model consists of three stages: unfreeze, change, and refreeze. Each phase plays a vital role in guiding organizations through transitions. Unfreeze prepares people for change, change implements new behaviors, and refreeze stabilizes the organization. By following this structured approach, leaders can manage resistance, foster engagement, and achieve lasting results. Let's see how this model applies in real-world scenarios. Imagine a company upgrading its technology systems. In the unfreeze stage, leaders communicate the need for modernization and address employee concerns. During change, staff receive training and support as they adapt to new software. In Refreeze, the organization celebrates successful adoption and integrates the new system into daily operations. This example illustrates how Lewin's model guides smooth transitions and minimizes disruption. Consider a company seeking to improve its workflow. Leaders begin by unfreezing old habits and explaining the benefits of new processes. Employees receive training and support during the change stage, learning how to implement improvements. In Refreeze, the organization monitors progress and celebrates increased efficiency. Lewin's model helps ensure that process changes are embraced and sustained. When an organization wants to shift its culture, Lewin's model provides a roadmap. Leaders unfreeze by discussing the need for change and engaging employees in dialogue. During change, new values and behaviors are introduced through training and support. Refreeze involves reinforcing these values and celebrating cultural milestones. This approach helps organizations build a positive and lasting culture. Lewin's change management model offers several benefits. It provides a clear structure, reduces resistance, and fosters engagement. By breaking change into manageable stages, leaders can address challenges proactively and support employees throughout the process. This model is flexible and adaptable, making it suitable for a wide range of organizational changes. Let's discuss some common challenges and how to overcome them. Despite its strengths, Lewin's model can face challenges such as resistance, communication gaps, and lack of resources. Leaders must be proactive in addressing these issues by fostering open dialogue, providing adequate support, and maintaining flexibility. By anticipating obstacles and adapting strategies, organizations can ensure successful change. Let's wrap up with key takeaways and next steps. Lewin's change management model is a powerful tool for guiding organizational transitions. By understanding and applying the three stages, unfreeze, change, and refreeze, leaders can manage resistance, foster engagement, and achieve lasting results. Remember to communicate clearly, provide training and support, and celebrate achievements along the way. With this structured approach, your organization can navigate change confidently and successfully.